Go, Sid.
Morning. Morning, guys. Okay, another day. Trail again. And it's a sunny day. Hindi maputik. Sige, boss. So, ay nako, ito na naman. What's the experience?
So far, hindi ko pa nagagamit yung 11 at 12.
Ano ba?
Life-changing, sulit yung blocks pagkatapos.
Ang sabi trail eh, ba't naging hike eh?
Hike pa rin.
Ano na? Wala lang maisip.
Malapit na, malapit na.
Ay, yawe. Ito na nga ba? We're halfway there. And presko tsaka mainit ngayon. Napagod. As always. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Woo! Thank you. Woohoo! Ito na! Huh? What the heck? Bilis niya, putik yan. Diyan sa gilid. Sa right side. Ah, shucks. Ah, hey. Woo. Gagi kayo nito. Ay, Jindy. Oh my gosh! Sorry kayo, Nico. Natatawa ako. Ayaw eh. Kenneth's break for so.
Let's go, Nico! Let's go! We're happy.
Kenneth's break was so loud. I was just laughing so hard. It's okay.
I just hear you guys coming down.
We have a horn.
That's a 6.
Oh, he's going on the other side. Takot ako dito. Natatawa kay Kenneth kasi. Nangyari. Oh, nangyari sa bike mo. Ay. Ay, yung brake mo. Yung brake mo, wait lang. Atras mo.
Sumayad.
Nangyari.
Sumayad. Okay, okay na ata.
Mas marami. Mas maganda.
Wala akong ano.
Ano ang sa inyo?
Oh, ibang trail to, ibang daanan to. Okay lang? Oh, let's go! Oh, shucks. Pinakamabilis na pagbaba. Oh, shucks.
Ay! Ilan minutes na?
Oh!
Are we going that way? No, I don't want to die. What the heck?
Wait, let me see.
Bro, I was about to follow you, but
Never mind. Like, it's just been 2 weeks. Go, Sid.
Ah!
Got in 4K.
Okay, sure.
Wait.
Ulit. Just have to go down this part and then up to where you can kind of see the line.
Oh, that's too steep. Oh man, that's too steep. I think I braked too hard, that's why.
Ay natin lahat experience. Lalim.
All-wheel nini ka to. Mo muna.
Ang lalim ang putik.
Huwag kang bibrake eh. Huwag kang bibrake ha. Walang brake yan. Pakita mo, sino ka?
Atras ka muna. Para ano.
Ano ang sa inyo?
You have to go fast and then go there.
Yeah, you have to go fast enough to get up that thing, so probably no brakes, yeah?
Okay, sure.
Because, yeah, you don't want to go halfway up and then fall back down, yeah? Let's go!
Hey, push! Yeah! Let's go! Uy! Yeah! Let's go!
Let's go, Silver!
Let's go! You know, I'll just record. Speed lang, speed. Yeah! Okay.
Lalim! Ayat!
Get it! Oh shit! Oy! No! Oh my gosh!
Aba, Ginoong Maria, nakapupuno ka ng grasya sa bayan ng ngalan mo.
Go, Sid!
Go, Sid!
Go!
Oh shit! Oy!
Hit it!
Watch me crash.
Inom muna niya talaga yung bike niya, ginaganyan niya talaga.
Naglilin sa likod para yung weight niya hindi nasa unahan.
Dang! Weight distribution
Ano
lang.
na, naupo sila parang sa likod niya.
Yeah, that one right there. You see that? I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay, clear the way.
Are you sure? I've done it before.
Wait,
Send it!
wait.
Crash, you guys have like a good video that will go viral. No, we don't want that.
We don't want that, man.
Alright.
Send this to my wife. Brother?
Oh, damn.
Man, it looks so easy for him.
This looks so easy. Yeah, he jumped.
I think if you can go down over there too.
Yeah.
It used to be way better, but there's like they brought machinery and cut this like
Oh, really?
yeah, it used to be smooth, but this has been cut.
Why?
There was a fire. You see all these burnt trees, and so they brought a bunch of like heavy machinery up here to make this. So they
Oh, so this happened before. After.
Yeah, so this used to be smooth, but they cut it so now it's.
Okay, I'm recording again. Frick. Shucks. Oh, did I put the clutch in? Oh, shucks, dang it. We're alive.
Barely.
Nalubat yung camera ko. Ano, kumusta?
Sarap. Last pag, pero enjoy.
Okay, nalubat ako, grabe.
Ibago tayong natutunan si. Akala ko parang uulit lang, parang same.
Oo nga.
Hindi nakasama si Dom.
Hindi ko alam. Tatagabi tayo. Hindi ko alam kung pwede tayo makapasok ng putik natin eh. Pagpagin ko muna.
Ay, hati na lang kayo?
Ha?
Hindi na lang kami.
Hati na lang.
Libre ko na si Sid.
Libre
niya ako.
Libre ko si Tom kasi may utang ako kay Tom.
O yung puno sa akin. Next time ka maglibre sa akin.
Ha? Ay.
Tom, shared with water.
Ay, okay.
Ano yan?
Ahil lagi nila.
Ano gusto mo?
Okay, kain na. Order na kami. And we'll be going somewhere in the Neverland. So far, everything was so good. was pretty dry in the climb, and then it's suddenly like just muddy. So now we're heading to the Hukilau Beach, and yeah, we'll eat there for lunch with Ken's Fresh Fish. We're good. So we're just gonna be here, eat lunch, and